Hi, I'm Tom Riddle, and welcome to CUR527. I'm excited to be working with you in this course over the next few weeks. Language literacy and culture, this course is set up like every other McDaniel course, graduate program course, so you should be familiar with the layout, but we'll take a few minutes to preview it. I know the course doesn't start officially till May 18th, but we'd like to give students this week to preview what they're going to be doing, maybe get started on the reading or get started on some activities if they want to. In the Read Me First section over here on the left, introduction information, including my contact information. McDaniel email is the best way to email me or communicate with me. But if you need a quick answer, you could also send me a text message. If you do send me a text message, please put your name in there and say that you're connected back to McDaniel course. This course, like, again, most McDaniel courses have 4 main components of the syllabus, which is over to the left, the course guide, the modules, and the learning log. So let's take a look at those. In the course guide, you will notice the objectives for the week, the readings for the week, the activities, which is usually participating in the discussion forum and completing your learning log, and then the assignment or the deliverable. The course requirements and rubrics starts off with a quick chart to help you with the due dates, keep them in mind, and point values, and then the rubrics for every single assignment, discussion boards, learning logs, and the weekly or module assignments that you'll get into as you go to the modules. There are 4 modules. The first one, again, starts May 18th. When you click in, you'll notice that the module starts with the objectives. It starts with the reading. We have 2 textbooks that hopefully you'll be able to get your hands onto. It starts off pretty heavy on the reading, but then cuts back as we go further into the course. And whenever possible, I've told you to skim the chapters because maybe it's important ideas, but not anything that you need to get necessarily bogged down into. You also notice that we give a preview of what we're talking about, what are we thinking about, what are we trying to take away as we go through the module readings and the module videos. The module video is here to support the texts and be an extra reference to you. There are a few discussion forums that ask you to directly refer to the videos. Another important thing to preview as you're going into a module is what's going to be in the discussion forums. So here are listed the 3 questions that will be inside of this Module 1's discussion forum, which we'll look at in just 1 second, and a link to the learning log, as well as the assignment for this first module. When you go into the discussion forum, if you could take a few minutes during the first week or so to introduce yourself in the class cafe, just 1 or 2 sentences about who you are, where you're from, and what you teach. That way we know who we're talking to when we're interacting with each other on the discussion forums. Each forum has 2 or 3 threads that you're asked to participate in. One of them may be a product that you're asked to complete. It's nothing complicated, pretty simple project, maybe making a chart, maybe making a PowerPoint, something simple like that. Learning logs are also due 1 for each module, and learning logs, remember, are your reflection. So as you're doing these reflection, do what works for you. You should think about your learning for the module. Think about what you've learned over the course. Think about what are the major questions or major takeaways. How you format this is up to you. It should be informal. Some students write whole papers. Some students write 1 or 2 paragraphs. Some students do an outline of their takeaways from the reading. Whatever works best for you is what I think you should do in the learning logs. So that seems to be the major nuts and bolts of the course. If you have any questions at any time while we're working together, please don't hesitate to reach out. If you don't understand something on an assignment, then let's figure it out so you don't get stressed out. Or let's figure it out so that you take the most away from your learning. I look forward to working with you, and I'll be ready to post our introduction to Module 1 probably on Sunday night. Have a wonderful week.